A subject pronoun is a personal pronoun which replaces the subject in a sentence. The singular pronouns are
je au J apostrophe, tu, il, elle, on.
The plural pronouns are
nous, vous, ils, elles.
You use
Je
or
J apostrophe,
when you talk about yourself. Example,
je regarde, je finis, j'écoute, j'habite.
remember, you use
J apostrophe,
in front of verbs which start with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, Y, and sometimes in front of verbs which start with a H. You use
tu,
when talking to someone you know well or a child. Example,
tu veux de la limonade? Est-ce que tu attends le bus? Tu joues toujours au foot.
you use
Il,
and
elle,
when talking about a person, an animal or something. Example,
John fait ses devoirs, il fait ses devoirs. Sophie va à l'école, elle va à l'école. Le chat dort, il dort. Le ballon est sur la table, il est sur la table.
you use
On,
when speaking about a group of people including yourself, but we also often use
on,
when speaking about people in general. So, it can mean we, you, or they. Example,
on va au cinéma. En France, on parle français.
you use
Nous,
when speaking about yourself and someone else. Example,
Peter et moi lavons la voiture. Nous lavons la voiture. Mes parents et moi regardons un film. Nous regardons un film.
you use
Vous,
when speaking to more than one person. You also use
vous,
when speaking to someone you don't know well, unless it is a child. Example,
Madame Laurent, prenez-vous le train? Patrick et Alain, vous êtes en retard.
you use
Il,
and
elle,
when speaking about more than one person, animal or thing. However,
il,
is used when talking about males or masculine and feminine nouns.
elle,
Is used only when talking about females and feminine nouns. Example,
John et Peter rient. Ils rient. Marie et Sophie parlent. Elles parlent. Les chats mangent. Ils mangent. Les tables sont propres. Elles sont propres.